Welcome to the push-up experiment. In this fascinating journey, we delve into the transformative power of push-ups. We've gathered 3 brave participants, each committing to 30 days of rigorous push-up routines, aiming for 200 reps daily. Join us as we observe the physical and mental changes they undergo, and uncover the secrets behind this simple yet powerful exercise. Participant profiles: Alex, fitness enthusiast with a moderate level of experience in strength training. Alex is eager to push boundaries and see how the challenge impacts overall fitness and muscle growth. Emily, a busy professional balancing work and family commitments. Emily hopes to integrate this challenge into her daily routine to improve her energy levels and overall well-being. Michael, a college student with a sedentary lifestyle due to long study hours. Michael sees this experiment as an opportunity to kickstart a healthier lifestyle and boost his confidence. Day 1. The journey begins. Excitement fills the air as our participants embark on their push-up journey. With determination in their eyes, they tackle their first set of 200 reps. Initial struggles are evident, but they push through, motivated by the promise of transformation. Week 1, building momentum. As the week progresses, our participants adapt to the challenge. Muscle soreness becomes a familiar companion, but so does a sense of accomplishment. Alex notices increased strength and endurance, while Emily finds herself more energized throughout the day. Michael, though facing initial difficulties, is determined to persevere. Week to overcoming obstacles. Midway through the challenge, obstacles arise. Alex faces a busy schedule, but prioritizes workouts, showcasing dedication. Emily juggles work deadlines and family responsibilities, but manages to squeeze in her reps. Week 3, visible progress. The head work begins to pay off as visible progress emerges. Alex notices defined muscles and improved form, pushing past previous limitations. Emily experiences a boost in confidence as she surpasses her initial expectations. Michael witnesses a transformation, not only in physique, but also in mindset, realizing the power of consistency and perseverance. Week 4, the final push, with finish line in sight. Our participants give it their all. Despite fatigue and occasional setbacks, they push through, fueled by the desire to finish strong. Alex, Emily, and Michael reflect on their journey, amazed by how far they've come in just 30 days. Conclusion: the power of push-ups. As the push-up experiment concludes, the transformations are undeniable. Alex, Emily, and Michael have not only improved their physical strength, but also cultivated discipline, resilience, and self-belief. Through dedication and perseverance, they've unlocked the potential for growth within themselves, proving that with commitment, even the simplest of exercises can lead to profound change.